Here are 3 reasons why I failed at investing in real estate when I first got started. And oftentimes, these are the same 3 reasons why many others fail when trying to start investing in real estate. Hi, my name is Devin Sheehan with Freedom Mentor, and for nearly 20 years, we've been coaching students successfully around the country on how to invest in real estate. If you're finding these videos helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Let's dive in. The first reason why I failed was because I was looking at on-market deals that were posted to MLS, Realtor.com, Zillow, Trulia, Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, and even auctions were really considered on-market deals where I was competing against other people and they were driving the price up. You have to understand that 90%, yes, 90% of this business is knowing how to get to sellers before they go on market. If you're struggling right now, probably this is because you are looking at on-market deals, whereas understanding the process needs to happen off-market and getting to sellers before it even hits the market.
Got questions? Simply text the word FREEDOM to 305-315-8030 and we'll help you.
Reason number 2 why I failed was because I was trying to do everything on my own. I was relying on my own knowledge, my own skill set, and my own experience to try to figure this real estate investing thing out. And what I learned over the years is by finding somebody who's already achieved success in something, just follow their footsteps, follow their path because they have already figured it out. Now, this doesn't just apply for real estate, this applies for any area of your life. So if you're struggling right now or failing to see the success you want to see, you have to understand that your limitations may be holding you back because the best way to learn is by doing something. And by following somebody who's already done it will shorten your learning curve and increase the chances of you being successful much faster than relying on your own skill set.
Every successful real estate investor has a mentor. Get mentored by me and my team by applying to be my next apprentice. Click the top corner.
Reason number 3 is taking on projects that are way too big. Oftentimes, this is one of the biggest mistakes people make when trying to invest in real estate is taking on a very, very large project. Now, with all the TV shows nowadays, it seems really attractive to do a large project, but oftentimes people miscalculate how much the project is going to cost and how long it will take. When coaching our students, we teach them to get in and out of projects as fast as possible so that they can profit and move on to their next deal versus getting caught up chasing all of the contractors, mismanaging the project, or not calculating the expenses correctly, and in the end, not having any profits. Remember, you want to get in and out of the project as fast as possible. I hope you enjoyed the 3 reasons why I failed when I first got started investing in real estate. If you're watching this video right now and you're thinking to yourself, I'm not where I want to be when it comes to real estate, or I'm struggling in my real estate investing business, maybe it's time to explore a coaching relationship with Freedom Mentor. If that's you, make sure to apply in the description below.